our room Friday night.
Friday night.
Saturday. Now, we're gonna take off and we're gonna go do the city. And we are moving to another room. Or they're gonna move us.
Yeah.
To another room on the beach with no glass.
No.
And we are dark. All right, we've just moved so that I can sit out here. And we're going to go to town. And it looks good. I think. So, for now, we're ready to go. I just want to finally show one before I made it all dirty. Okay, we came in here about noon. No air conditioning. Still no air conditioning.
Just wait, Jack.
That ain't air conditioning.
So,
We want air conditioning. And oh, we need the Wi-Fi. She can't connect. You can fix the Wi-Fi for her. I'll go get you some food. Okay, I go run all over. I get this stuff for her. She wants pork. I get 2 different kinds. We run halfway around town. She says she doesn't want rice, but now she wants rice, just like a woman. Okay, we had air conditioner problems. We got on them. They came right out and put new Freon in it. It is awesome cold in here. Good service. Good girl with the tattoo on her neck. I don't know where she got that or even what it is.
That's my mom's treatment.
Must be a Filipino home remedy.
God, my boobs, babe.
It's on your boob.
My boobs. You.
Okay, the Pixie AC is nice and beautiful in here. Our room, look at this view. I'm not talking about her butt, but anyway, look at this view. Okay, if you're gonna come to the Philippines, you have to learn. I don't care how much money you make, because you don't have time to deal with it. You are going to wash your clothes in the sink. You can't hang them outside. I think this is kind of, wouldn't go over well with the clientele here, but. And our room is down that way on the 3rd floor. And I'm sure that I can come down here and walk on the beach. Right there is where we just ate. El Nido Hotel. And I'm gonna walk down here where they got lights. Our room is right up there. And right there is our room. And I'm going to go sit up there and have some coffee. These places are kind of a bargain. They're older, about $100 a night. Sea view. Anyway, pretty cool. All of these are on the water on the right hand side. And they had that little bar down there. And right there, Times Square, whatever. That is where we ate. Pretty nice little place. Right there. It's an old motel, but it's actually clean. The Nido Hotel. In the morning. I'd say there's a few boats out there ready to do tour. Huh. Nice. We got here late last night. I don't even know if we get breakfast. These are pretty nice though, these rooms. I will post below. Huh. And here we're going to have breakfast. I walked down last night. I got down to the water. There it is. Beautiful. Low tide. They got a little tiny restaurant bar down there that was really cute last night. They got the whole look. We're right there, 3rd floor. Big windows. And we see these are all got beautiful view. And right down there, that's where we went to eat. There we go.
Yes, sir.
Our room here
Yes, sir.
might say we have the view.
Sige, sir. Okay, sir.
It was clean, it was nice, price was pretty good. And the cool part is we come out and from here to here I can get my coffee, hot water all night long. Pretty awesome. The breakfast, nothing fancy. Oh, I
different every day. Just mixed vegetable. I had a taste of sausage, eggs. This is kind of a cream corn, that's right. And this part's always the same. Pineapple, watermelon, etc., etc.
We're going to Las Tabanos Beach for the sunset.
How far?
It's just 9 minutes from, it's near Lime Resort.
Alrighty, that's where we're going. Now this, at night, you can't drive your vehicles in here. They come out, everybody comes out at night. They're all vampires.
And from here to here, I can get my coffee, hot water all night long. Pretty awesome. The breakfast, nothing fancy. Oh, I'm different every day. Just mixed vegetable. I had a taste of sausage, eggs. This is kind of a cream corn, that's right. And this part's always the same. Pineapple, watermelon, etc., etc. As we're getting ready to go out on the boat, and they started at $4.50, and I bought for $2.50. About $4.80, something like that. Alright, I just bought a hat from these guys. I started 450 pesos. I got it for 250. There's the wonderful hat. Alright, where we tell them how much
How much what?
for the boat ride?
9,500.
9,500
9,500.
for the two of us.
Yeah.
And I got too close to you, not watching what I'm doing.
And I'm very big.
And we got two people I didn't want. You can see the big yellow boat out there. That boat wants 2,000, 20,000, whatever.